Hey everybody, today I've got this Burg-Wachter Alutitan 77050 50mm aluminum padlock. Burg-Wachter. It's given to me by Potty314. Such a cool little gift from him. It's something I'm going to hang on to for a long time. Yeah, hopefully. He said this one would give me a little bit of trouble because of the keyway. Nothing compared to this one. So I'm saving that one for last because I don't even know if I'm going to be able to get into that one. Got a lot of room down here at the bottom. Okay, not that much room. Let's try this one. Oop, there we go. Alright. I think we can get that. Let's see how tough this guy is. Click out a 2. Click out a 4. Click out a 1. Feels like we're in a false set, I think. Oh, and there's 5. I must have bumped 3 at some point in there. But that's the Burg-Wachter Alutitan 770. So thanks a lot, Potty. I really appreciate it. This thing is super cool. It's going straight in my display case. I'm gonna proudly show this one off. I wish it had ball bearings, but it might be shimmable, it might not. This one doesn't seem to have a ledge. It just kind of goes right there. So I think this one probably is shimmable, whereas the diamond has a pretty significant lip right there, a flat spot before the slant, so I don't think you're getting a shim in that one. So, cool little lock, super light, and not something I can get here in the States, so I love these things. So, huge thank you again, Potty. It was great meeting you, and can't wait to talk with you more. So thanks for watching, everybody. Make sure to subscribe, and we'll get more videos out to you soon.